Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to subscribe to Zara's newsletter. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then go to your home page and then scroll down till you find join our newsletter section. Just simply tap on it. And now you can select which section you are interested in, and you just simply have to type in the or tap on the relevant ones or one. I'm going to select the women and beauty section. If you are done with it, all you have to do is pressing the button save. So now you have been subscribed to Zara's newsletter. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.